All right, it is raining. It's been raining outside and it's lunchtime, so that could only mean one thing. Simple, easy, and satisfying cold weather comfort food. Even though it's not super cold, but that's what I call it. I'm still learning how to cook eggs on the stainless steel. I think I'm getting closer and closer every time I do it. However, I don't do it enough. But this looks great. This is gonna be a great lunch, especially for this weather. Oh yeah. Like and subscribe.